Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda. Ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbare njara. Ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbare njara. Kuzito somya bamura maje kuya mandege. Kuzito somya bamura maje kuya mandege.
Wakire mwancho mariria ogetembe television emambi yawono noiwete nigo Eric Mwaniki yawotewe nga Nyasaye ngotumare umusamaria nande kwegurenga etwanekero yabugire umoraru ugitanda nechinga kichingororo chinga kichokuboka nabo igo wetoma kigima ekero abange baligeti okora okora guse okora emirimo yabo yo mwere yewiki yiga ase rire ritukoria Ijumaa tariki 5 umutinyi wa ogatatu mwaka chirubere 25. Karibu sana ime iyo murobiriga abono mambi wetwani yagetembe nenche Matilda Obaigwa kirotukubaterana nere Atsan na Wilfred Matundra helio kwane kyabula litukeriga twanyarire ko oboka naye naboigo ko semia naboigo kumanyari agendereta higa nekero tukuburenga nubwate obosibore bosanga ochaiga ase studio na wakonyora weterase emitandao ye kijamii rinde tunyare kubwaterana ase njira yobwamo okigima. Karibu sana ime yo murobiriga nande ni gongo kuboria nyare kuba omosi okori tukeriga ria bono onyare kwarigania abanda bange ase murobiri erio tosanga sinjira ere eyobwamo kigima kero tukuyire no mangi agenderete nande ngokomanya kero kino hotero kuiganga Nyasaye ngutumare umusamaria chinga kibunechiga na abange basirire na abamabo na abange babate abarwaire ase chinya kitari ne chinka chabo nabo na kyoto kuboria gose nakito kendete kusaberania to kokotebya buna Nyasaye ngutumare umusamaria chinga kibunechiga gose chinga kichobukendo bonge litukoria Ijumaa kero korigereria nigo ase chinsemo chagusia abantu abange bagokora imeiga yo kubainia abancho ababo igo Nyasaye nari nino chinga kibunechiga na abo igo yori otegwetibya omubere osebwate omuriro ase enka yago nenyagitari Nyasaye ngotumare umusamaria igo kaba na intu irindis nyare kubwaterana ase njira ya bene kigema korende ekirango chaka na maya gose kirango chaka na yatikire chinsa chabono mambi nengo chaka nengana yetaro yaye moske Raila Odinga yoro murai wiki amakia ODM ochaiga ase county ya Kisii ritukorigoro abasanyale tukumirana na barai ase chinse mochiri cha ATC otokomoche bosongo na boigo ukwanera buna amatukare bosio gose ase gekekekere bosio na chiko nyara koraria eganga yaye ya siasa na kigose mukondoki arachiko bwatia ese amatukare bosio ase mangana asiasa na boigo nanyarite kwerera igati ya mechando iri abakenya abange bagenderete gwetera ekera kumuboria murai wense moske William Ruto nyare kweneke buna onyarire kurigereria igati ya mechando iri abakenya bagenderete gwetera musakito Daniel Ontiri atwigorire chinsa chabo no mambi na roboti urasinjira iri ngikirano
chinsanye nechitaika sano chemambia ya lero chinsa cha Afrika ya mocha umurai wekiama ya ODM moske Raila Odinga nigata chance ase county ya Kisii asensemo yokwena na migerio yoburimi ya ATC hase gikaro nabarai kurwa sorogongo rwogusi egati yabaria abayikirana asensemeiga ngamuno mugavana we county ya Kisii moske Simbarati amuno mokonye moske Lijo Bebo mokonyi b'umugavana we county ya Nyamira moske James Ondicho Gesami mosko badia barongo kurwase bunge ya bumachoge burabu Irene Mayaka omujumbo mochore gati ya barayi banda bange ege karekiga nigo kyaringete omoske Raila osangereria ebirengererio asise bali yae ya gesiasa uchasa matukare bosyo na kukwanire goro yense ya Kenya ni chingaki kyo gusanga n'abarikia mang'ana egekegeke magaga yogokora igikarekyo Muske Raila otebaiga.
The leadership here have expressed their concerns about many things that are affecting the Kenyan people.
Chingaki kyo omentabuna ichiga ni chingaki cha magendero. Ni chingaki cha siasa tichiraika chingaki cheri bolyo igoro yoyo kabiro mwaziri w'uburendi w'Imaiga Kenya. Muske Fred Okengo Matiang'i hase chinkuma cyogo chikoligia ekiro kyoborai wense hasobo chole bole bosyo.
That is something that we'll deal with when the actual time comes up. Mr. Matiang'i has not, as things stand, come up to speak, to declare that he wants to run for the presidency.
Asense mwende ni gamu mochia umarai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto asemirobalio au ya magendero ye kwa mete gatia wo murobalio wo kwene no buwenia osha chibese chinke chikobotu kwa wachase chi county murobalio wa affordable housing no kwama wechichiro au egento abolia kugororwa limolioka.
Talked about inadequate funding coming to the counties, which is again a national issue, but the MCAs here have talked about reduction in allocation of funding to county assemblies, which is across board.
Oteba buna igechandeta abaraia bange aige Kenya no bukurumi bwanalia n'abaraia ababegete chinda cyabo bosyo agento kirire ense ya Kenya ko basabe kimagendero.
Generally our country has reached this place because of lack of proper attention to critical issues.
Nanyana bo hitaro y'umurai weke mekiga gya ODM Muske Raila Odinga asorogongo rogusi nigo yatiga bange na mabulyo kubwatekana no gutaikirano kwegati yabarai kurwase county ya Kisii neria ya Nyamira igati abo mu senator we county ya Kisii Muske Richard Monyonka Mbunge we bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba Muske Daniel Manduku uliwe bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Muske Anthony Kibagendi Muske Timothy Wosire gati abande abo bataikirana ukwikirana kwegati yabarai yabanene kurwase kyama kya UPA abo barolekana bakomoa koboko Muske Fred Okengo Matiang'i chikibere cha itire negati yarebo igatiga bange bakweyagyo omutwe na gotema kweboria komanya ekirenga kyabo. Ngurubuteregeta seni kegetembe kurega se county ya Kisii leterane nguruko Daniel Untiri.
Utigana nayo mwancho murigereria nekero chipara chinyinge chikenderete kuremwa na boiko kobekwa omoro munechilami ase county ya Nyamira nigo bono abamenyi bechinsemo cha itono na boigo kurwa ase chinsemo chiricha omosasa imeye ward ya Bogichora ebunge ya West Mugirango banyalete gosoka weso kiana korokora okorobekana ritukore igoro ase kiria bagoteba buna epara ekoremo ya betege koremo na kubekwa omoro mwase chinsemecho tenyarete kobekwa oika oboikirano nekero bagoteba nigo bono ensemo igete chimita chiminye enyarete gotigarera njera abose bono banyare komomocha oyorenge omoengineer abwe pare yo naboigo nekero bakumoboria omobunge we constituency ya West Mugirango Muske Stephen Mogaka anyare kurigirirya ingane yo sinchira ingikirano naboigo anyare konekebuna epare yo yanyare korosiwa goika agotabuka omusakito Paul Kapokara noroboti rwa sinchira ingikirano.
Nemambe ya rero asebaligiga ikuruchinsamo cy'umusasa wika etono ebali yo egendereta kobabe koraisiwa asaba nenchi kurwasa binyole biga besoke na kurubekana na kwimurunganira igoro y'umu engineer yo koroisie pareye iyo korengana mona barabo etali koroisiwa bunetakire
aiga tu achiro robuna bana inchi betono to korera sengenjo ye ba orai bara robwe para itoro yabe ke tu moro munjabe ke tu Jones to go chande ke to kana iro kamiruka nandi nabuno etabe kirio moro abantu ba moro mwe baje tabakabe ko moro mwenuzo asande mbabegeti eba tu meta asande
asara abe mono no batumete bone birobio ito nebi eserekari kamuranche tokorero moro mwezi batumete kilomita batamanye igone kilomita batamanye tose
ntunto beke irimara mwoso amasasa gotira paka agayire tona na abayikere timbarato bekera amaro
bariga yo mujumbe karengana mu n'abanyakinyura abegani go besokirie nabate babuna umunjino uyu rasaye igani gatari gukora imirimo yae netakire egento bono kyabatire hamwe n'amaburi amange
epareye tokorera neyo muchumbe Steve Mugaka nere okotoroseria bono mochando Steve mwesimi wo itonto gwanjete ebirero byeito kwara gochore para munerosirie onyara gotokonya etichubuya abantu watomete mbarose tienje epareye sencherengia
egente getanganyo twaremetwe pare kale mwenga lebuya kabisa tobwena takoboya no chigari bero sisatu bono igama to kwana igo epare ebe kilo moromu no chigari be kitabo gerane tokobori inkibare mete pareye onyemba kobeka mo muise ine inkibare kobeka mo mwenu senu bitumo eye ndema to kwana iga banda ba ele mekime emero mueye inkiyare kone ligwa iga kobekwe pare tokonye
omwene niko bagende ko bakubulia ARVC iyo mujumbe webunge ya West Mugrango Muske Steve Mugaka wesoke na koherengane yiga eliko kuru muchando yiga asego tebekana buna epari yiga sabatu kamagega nigo yagendere ko bagikutira bange chinkoma kubatikana mu no ogotaraisi wo buyam
abantu bekenyoro twatiramo tokorera kamuranje serikali yeito aya Steve nayo mugambyo itorende koranje para terosiri na makara matitari komekwa onye tera tabokibwa
ndu atagokura tagoteba tobekerwa maramu erine nentu tobwenera buna abantu bande babwenera tane parere ngiya none pikipiki ego
Steve kwale gochaye bieka munyana bona igaso gwanja kwao origerio are muno moro mubikire egero tokonye buna abantu bao ba West Mugrango
ono tokobori mweshimiwa asomoyo bwo gwanja onye konyarekana atabokie para korwo musasa korwo nyunyu ebwate sironga egero nantu turarati moka abantu turatiga kwira nyagitari babunekire abana inji tebe mwana gotaka
tarika
eginku ripoti rigetasini kikya ubwanje tekya gatembe kuregase pale nene kurasinse chika chabinu ni kwekasirunga asekenyereke igaki umusasa na bwo netono ime ya West Mugrango county ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp okara
gutigana nayo mancho murigiriria nigo bono abakagirwa babere bobusaria bagenderete kubekwa gose bagenderete kubera ase igitaseni kya banyanyimbo magega yo kubwatwa rituko ria mwisonde maragoba na ikiombe kirikyo kurubutuki gya DCI kikubwatirana na banyanyimbo ase omuchi obusongo abo babere nigo bakagire kwikirania ebikorwa byobusagani na boigo okoibera abantu hekero bono bayarete gutoka babwate ebastora na boigo amasasi ayibono agenderete kugachwa ase gitaseni kya banyanyimbo gya suneka una bono omo county police commander Charles Kasesi arenge koerera rituko riegoro.
Mr. Charles Kasesi, the county police commander Kisii County, and with me is the CCIO Kisii County, Madam Catherine, AP commander Mr. Kiterio, and the DCIO Kisii Central. At this point, I would like to inform you and the members of public and the entire residents of Kisii County that yesterday at around 21:50 hours we were able to get a breakthrough on our operations, which was of course led by the DCI as our lead investigation agency. In our operation that we were able to arrest 2 suspects within Kisii town near Texas petrol station that is the junction heading to Nyamataro and Marani area. This is after an extensive investigation for the robberies that have been taking place within Suneka area, within our M-Pesa agents, and we were able to arrest 2 suspects who are on our radar. One, namely James Ocheng, who was the rider, and a pillion passenger, namely Gerald Okumu, both aged 35 years. And upon search, we were able to recover a pistol, Mek Banadelli, with 5 rounds of ammunition from the rider. And also we were able to recover 4 improvised metal bars from the pillion passenger, and these metal bars are able to fire rounds. These suspects are now in our custody, pending to be arraigned before court. Again, today we were able to make a miscellaneous application. We are requesting for 30 days because we also suspect these criminals are engaged in criminal activities within the neighboring counties.
Chinga checho ibikorwa byobusali bigenderete kwenekiwa nigobono abakagirwa bane bobwibi banyarete kuraswa amasasi obotuko obokire igoro nabo igo babiri bakanyara kuminjori nabo igo gotama bono ayaniga nyarete gukoreka ase chinse mochiri cha sombogo egotoka ime ya Marani ebunge ya Kitutu Chacha North nekero bono abonchoriria bonsi banyare kwenekeriwa nabanyanyimbo bechinse mecho buna oborendi banyare gotingiwa nabo igo nigo abo banyarete kobichoria bagenderete korigiwa.
This morning, the 6th day of March, within Marani area, that was around 01:30 hours, somewhere there, we received a distress call from members of public, and which were responded swiftly by our officers based at DCC Marani office, that there was robbery taking place within Marani township at a bakery. So upon responding, our officers arrived there. We found that the robbers have already left the place. They were able to chase them towards Sombogo Tea Factory, and upon nearing that place, Sombogo Center, the tuk-tuk make Piaggio lost control, and the suspects started shooting at our officers. And fire exchange ensued, and whereby 4 suspects were fatally injured. 2 were able to escape, and we believe they are wounded. So we have also launched an investigation to find out whether we can find the 2 who have escaped, and whether we can get the firearm that was being used by those robbers. For members of public, that they keep on providing information as they have always been doing, and we shall keep it in confidence. Let me assure members of business community within Kisii town that we are always alert and we are ready to protect life and their properties.
Mwancho murigereria nekero siasa entindi genderete kwenekiwa ime yebyama ao bya kisiasa iga sense ya Kenya nigo bono ababwatani bekiama gya Jubilee kurwase county ya Nyamira anene mono bali bakurwase ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba inse iyo moriki obo oyore intenenera asereta David Morara banyarire kose banyarete gukora igikaro somo bagani oyomo ime iyo mucho Nyamira litukore igoro Taboigo nekero obagenderete gukwana amangana siasa entindi egenderete ase ense ya Kenya nigo banyarete kogendera kwa echinkwana chae Jeremiah Kioni uyoro molikio monene wekiamekyo gya Jubilee ase ense ya Kenya ekero bagenderete goteba buna nigo ikiama ekio kigenderete kurigereria enchera kirachi goikerania eng'ana ayaye yokomoa uyo kabere mowaziri omokoro omoske Fred Matiang'i okoboko gose eticket erinde achikoboria ekirogo kioborai bwense ase obochori obonene bore bosio bw'omwaka bwechire bubere 2025.
Jasa Marieta, David Mararogo, in the interim Secretary General ya Jubilee Nyamira County. There, with some few officials of the county executive branch, to our meeting, aiga Kemera, yoko mirana na baraibande, ba representative Kitutu Masaba constituency. Kuligere ringa kechama ya itaga ndreta se ground oto wa kirambia mono abarai baito to tanga ineno como party leader Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta na secretary general Jeremiah Kioni na chairman na staff asa iwagenda to gukora na inde buna bago to directing sa na into na bato gukora lero ntubuna abarai banyamira county ototagete kutangasa echama yaito ya Jubilee Party branch Nyamira County ototagete kutangasa nga otore nyuma yomurai yaito Honorable Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i ase mebango yae yogochikurwanire kerogo kyobo president 2027 naende ayo tali tutoka toko banga otoko ba guided and directed kurua se national council Nairobi igobu no moraye party leader yaito Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta ateba na Jeremiah Kioni buna batebire ntoganyete musike Matiang'i ajije atochoi ngara kunya muwadisi nyale ko tenekero gekyo president otogo saba abarai bonse bali bachorire ase gusi yaito ebe Nyamira County ebe Kisii County bonse bali bachorire na bali batachorire otutage totobege ntete tokwana muno yo tumanyanga Matiang'i to barike kambi na inde abantu bali baraje gutwara ibirangare libinga abo otora tebe ngatiare enemy number 1 yo mugusi gento kende twara bateba nkiringa registration nagendrete abarai bali tomera korwa chiwodi chia Gesima Kemera Magombo Bigoma Gachuba nama please bagendera ko recruit members kiagara this is the only party ona ige tigarete gokorere ken na inde tigarete era chikokonya abantu betu kiagara bono torojenga kichama chinde they are not doing very well kuna current affairs sigenda tobone
nakoro ase ewizara ere yechisemi nigo bono mowaziri wizara eyo moske Migos Ogamba anyarire gukwanira gusanyarete gukora igikaro na babwatani ao kura ase university ya Tuk na boigo kura ase bali batenerete chi university ase ense ya Kenya unenjere yamo yokorigia enchera abakori meremo ime ye university ya Technical University of Kenya gose Tuk baranyare kuirana emeremo abakori meremo abo nigo babire bakugenda somogiro wechi ikisa tobono ekyo kirete aboroki wa weso kena boigo gukora okorobekana sekeria batebire buna nigo ewizare yo taranyara kurigereria eskuru eyo gose university eyo naboigo nekero bakoboria nigo abakori mirimo abo babonete gwakanwa achievements chabo gose chingeria chabo elio banyare kuirana na guikirania gose kugendereria emirimo yabo nigo bono umawaziri oyo anyarete gukwanira okoiwana okukonyarete gose CBA eyo yanyarete gukorekana ase mwaka 2021 2022 ase bono anyarete goteba kuboria serikali nyare kuenekia yikiranire okuiwana oku erinde abakori mirimo abo banyare kuirana ase emirimo yabo yabutambi.
Today we've had the opportunity to meet with the union representative for the Tuk University workers. These were made up of WASU officials, the KUSU officials, and the KUDEA officials. As you all know, TUK University workers and academic staff went on strike in the month of February, and we've been trying to negotiate a return to work formula. And so as a technical team between the Ministry of Education and the TUK staff and management, have worked a recovery roadmap for the university itself, so that we can have a structure where we are going to have a sustainable structure in the discussions that we are having, so that we have a sustainable agreement for TUK University. Majorly, we are concentrating on the areas that we need to restructure in order to ensure that going forward, and once we agree with WASO to return to work, whatever we have in place will be a sustainable goal, a sustainable structure, a sustainable program, which will enable TUK to be on a recovery path, and that will ensure that it doesn't come back to be in the doldrums that it finds itself in currently. So we had discussions around the increasing student enrollment, cost-cutting measures in various areas. We also talked about organizational structure. We also discussed areas of revenue enhancement and strengthening of the university governance and management structure. So we have been able to put on the table a proposal for the unions to ensure that we have a short-term, a medium-term, and a long-term plan to ensure that we keep the employees at work, we keep the academic staff in class, and we keep the students in class, so that we do not have these very many disruptions in these universities that has led to the academic calendar being affected. So the proposal that we have, we've given it to the unions, and they are now considering that proposal, after which they will give us their opinion whether they'll accept it or not. And if they accept it, then we'll do a return to work formula, and hopefully the students will be back in class before long.
Gutigana nayo mwancho murigirire nigo bono umwaziri bobolindi boime Mosque Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen ritukore igoro anyarite gutwara igikaro na barai kurwa ase kiombekiri kia Kenya ose kia National Police Service ekira bono anyarite kuria eirabuna okwerikia ase ekiombeki osabanya nyimbo bonsi bari barache kwerikia ase emeremo amatuko arebosio nigo barache kwerikia ase nchira ere eyekerero ose asomo bwe Kenya morero emanyekanite buna automation nigo anyarite kwenekia buna hene nchira yamo yokwenekia obwasioku ase okwerikia gusoko barikia abanyanyimbo abaya nabo igo kokonya bari bagenderete kongaino buna emeremo nere ase ekiombeki nabo igo bagenderete kwenana amakigo chase abantu au erio banyara konyora amabaga ase ekiombe kia National Police Service ligo anyarete gutwara egikaro na barai kurwase ekiombe kyo abosa nyarite kwenekia buna nigo obwasio kuburachi kwenekiwa erio kwenekinga abantu tibaraba baguchandika anne mono asensemeyo yokorigyo omo emeremo ase ekiombe kyo kia banyanyimbo.
We are pushing for is to ensure that we have the budgetary resources in the next financial year, and soon we will be announcing the recruitment exercise. And that recruitment exercise, I've been assured this time round we are going to because it was the recommendation of the task force that we must also do this recruitment in a more transparent manner. We are working together with the National Police Service Commission to make sure that technology is deployed to protect our citizens and to make sure that nobody is conned during recruitment exercise, and that all the citizens of this republic will see a more transparent recruitment exercise that will ensure that those officers who will come to office are those who are going to be able to have come through integrity and continue serving integrity. Another issue I want to speak about this time is to say, Mr. Chaiji, that the reforms will continue. the continuous training will lead to greater discipline in the National Police Service. And I have no doubt in my mind, I want to say here that for the period I have served, I have seen a very committed police officers who are actually doing a fantastic job in very difficult circumstances in different corners of the country. I was in Wajir the other day when the president was there. I was also in Todonyang in Turkana. I have had to visit also parts of Baringo in Tiati constituency and parts of West Pokot. And all these areas where the officers are operating under very difficult circumstances, I tell you, they are young, old, middle-aged police officers who have given and dedicated their entire life to protect this nation. And I want to celebrate them to this afternoon by saying that we will do everything possible to facilitate you to ensure that you are doing your job in an environment that is safe, that you don't feel intimidated, that you don't feel harassed, that you feel that the sacrifice you are making in your country to make your country safe is being recognized and being protected. Mr. IG, I know that in few elements who have disciplinary issues, I appreciate the National Police Service by putting in place an internal mechanism which makes sure that we are able to correct any
nase ensemo yoboremi anene muno aikemeri kerige kawa nigo omo konyi bumurai bwense moske kidure kindiki ritukorigoro anyarete kwenekeria abakenya buna bono ekero arachikora ase oboremi gusara chikora abaremi bonsi bekawa bekemerige kawa se ense ya Kenya nigo bono arachikwenekia buna bono konyora kwabo nigo korachikomente kana omwako yoya kubatikana keria tebete buna serikali nigo yanyari kubeka omokia kegima kweneke buna ekemeri ekyo kyabere ekyengenjo kegima naboigo abalimi bonsi banyarire gukonyeka kurwa ase ekemeri ekyo.
The Kenya Kwanza administration was elected on the basis of a manifesto. That manifesto requires us to ensure that we increase incomes and the value to farmers and other players in the coffee sector. Agriculture is a big plank of that manifesto. Then we have about 19 value chains in agriculture and livestock and fisheries, and one of those value chains is coffee. In the meantime, the introduction of the trade of coffee at the Nairobi Coffee Exchange has already yielded some fruits. And as I said, if you compare the last 3 years, where the return per kilogram of cherry was 60 shillings in 2022, 80 shillings in 2023, 100 shillings in 2024, is likely to increase in 2025, already going by the February sales. There is an issue there about transparency in the coffee trade and coffee sales, both direct sales and also the sales through the coffee exchange. There are issues of transparency which we need to work on. And one area we must firm up is the area of ensuring that the deductions done at cooperative level do not again deny farmers their sweat. There is need for openness there. Secondly, there is need for openness from AFA. We need to integrate coffee trade and coffee sales, whether direct sales or through the auction, so that we have one source of truth, one source of data, and that visibility should be available to all the players, including farmers.
wekirabo nongora korera asense mo yama yeri tukoria rero emambi yega ayabono kerongo kuboria ugendere kobera ime iyo morobiriga rwetwani erinde tugendere gusetunyare ko batugusanga naye na nindo chinga asechinse mo cha Facebook na bange bagenderete goso ime yo morobire na boyo kugendera kulika riuko gose ujumbe yabo gochaiga ase studio korende nigo nare kura kumanya gose nare kura kwenyoria nga obochori oboke by elections nigo boko korekana aiga ase gosechi ase chinste mo o kubwatekana nekero ribaga riabiriri gotigara ase umurai wakire kura korende tariko toka kare aroro naboigo nebwate gose ebintu mbiroro biririre obochori oboke umanyakanete buna by elections gokorekana ase chinse mo o naboigo no konyoria nga ase motuka bwangoiga Kenya gose ense ya Kenya nebwate amabaga ange 18 ayobono abarai nabono abajumbe aba MCA naboigo aba senator bari bachore twaroro batayo ase ebiroge biga ase amatuko abono na boigo no konyoria nga kupatikana neri chiko gose se katiba ya Kenya nigo amangana yega obochori boigo boke gose by elections ekorekana ekero omubunge gose omoseneta gose omo MCA anyarire gusiria obugima bwae kare ase ekirugo kyuburai na boigo ngochere ekero bono yatokire nigo abeire gakomocha ase ebikaro bitano na bitatu gose 8 assembly sittings ataraba gakuruka ase bikarebyo nigo naro akonyara kurusiwa ase ekirogekyo erinde ribagerio ryanyara gutangazwa koba obwazi erinde oyoganetie kochora gose nande obochori bonde bwanyara gukoro erinde korigia omo MCA omo bunge gose omo senator omo ngao na boigo nabo egotoka gose omurayo yora ase ekirogekyo nyare kokora okomocha gose onyarire kotabwatia richiko erio onyara kurusiwa ekirogekyo ase chinguru na boigo ngotokere ekero yato gose ekero yanyarekanire nigo arenge gotumeka ekiama ekengao ekero arenge ase gose kera arenge kuburia chikura korende ikire ochenjire birengerere yanete gochenjia ekiama naro by elections nigo chigokorekana na ndubwate ababunge gusaba MCA n'abaseneta bari abagoswa ase ebiro byabo buna bare batabwati kiama kendi yonsi gose bare independent nigo nabarabwe kero baikire ase batakete goswa ekiama obochori bumanyakanete buna by elections naro obogokorekana na boigo ekero obochori bwabeire bogotoka gusembo bwate obotutukano gose yatokire buna oyo bekiro kirogekyo nigarorekanire gutaikira ekiwango kirikeganiri naro nigo akurusiwa roro obochori obongao bwanyara gokorekana na nande ntubwatenekero ekigambiro gikonyara gukana chikura gose obochori bwomurai gete kubwatekana kiri bagotana obwasio kutiboene kiri chingaki chobochori gose ekero egotoka buna obochori bwabere bugutwara ebina na ekoti gose ekigambiro kyanyara konyora buna amamocho nanyarete gokorekana ase okubara wechikura gose ogwakwa wechikura echo naro nigo arorikiro gekyo gose obochori obubuyo bugotuguterware erinde nando obochori bwanyara gukorwa ase enchera enya na akoirera by elections janyara gukorekana asense ya Kenya lakini ase keyo konyora gitangaine anene chinga kichinyinge negero konyora nga oyore ase ekirogekyo gose omo MCA omo senator no mo bunge onyarire kurara gose gusiria obogema obwaye bunabona kiro tukurigerera ase orogongo rwagusi tubwate buna ewodi ya nyamaya ekero bono hero etaraba ke gutwara omo MCA wetani mwaka wa mabono kubwatekana kiri omo MCA obo umanyakanete buna Mosike Elijah Osiemo anyarite gusira obugima bwaye kubwatekana no mubasokano obwe para na boigo gutigana nayo tukuriwe buna bono naro eward ya Nyansiongo nero tebwati omurai kubwatekana na kiria ekigambiro kyanyarite gututerare obubui boyoirete ekirogekyo ikiagira nigo baorogete nga obwasio kutibwanyarite kwenekirwa engaki iyo bochori igo chinse monchire chinyinge kegima cyanyarire ko bacigotwara umuchando uyu gose kitabwati abarai ekiagira bono kango obochori obwanyarire gokorekana korende nigo bono ekiombe kirikete obochori nechimbibe asense ya Kenya kia IEBC kitaranyara kubekwamo na baigo gotwara abarai abo barachikorigereria naki obochori buranyara gokorekana ase chinsemo chonsi nande nekende kerairere obochori bunobo gokorekana gose by elections ikyo konye natigire magiga ngeria kero kwanyorire omubunge gose omuraigite achorire guchase ekero ekemo imeye serikali gusanyoriri bagari ngao ase serikali yeirera ekero gekyo kyanyara gotigara abusabu na bono ntubwate echibunge chi constituency ase ense ya Kenya buna bono constituency ya Unguja ase bono umurai gose mubunge olengaroro anyarite korusi waroro gose gochorwa goso ase obo waziri ime yense ya Kenya na mangia koirera obochori obo banyara gokolekana korengana ne katiba yense ya Kenya korende by elections teriko korekana ase abarai babere parabiaba tubwate omurai wense gose president head of state ekero ere yatokire buna amangana gose kende kya monyorire tabwana tikogendera kora nigo ekoirera aba Kenya gose kiombe kirigitene tobochori ne chimbe buna bono IEBC yanjera aba Kenya na inde bakora ogwaka gose bairorera ogwaka chikura okoya okuko tamanyekaneti gose gotari buna by elections nande ase aba governor na barabo nigo obochori bwabo mborigochi bwakorekana ekero omugavana yatokire gose omugavana usirire bugima bwae oyoro mokonyoye nero goso ase kero gekyo elinde onyara kubwatire miremo ariyo sori atigirite goika okora etamo yo buna bono tokurigiria ase orugongo rwa Busi county ya Nyamira nekero oyo kabiro omugavana bwechinse mecho omanyikanete buna musike John Nyagarama nyarite gosiri bugima bwae nigo bono omugavana obono omusike Amos Nyaribo anyarite goswa ekiro gekyo goika agatabokia etamu eyo yarenge yo mugavana yo mukoro onyarite gosiria obugima bwae nikikirera na erera iga no gukonyoranga chinse monjire chiganeti abarai bono gwikira chinga kichiga korende chitaranyara konyora abarai bono aba MCA na ababunge anene mono kirotokuria gongoro Busi kirotokuria chodi chitabwati aba MCA bitukoria rero tuchigotwara oyore gose kyo rigeti gochokorigia ekerogo kyobo MCA ase wadi ya Nyamaiya erio tonyare kurigire buna ekero kende ase omurai ataiyo gose tutabwati inonyo omo MCA ase wadi ninki kego korekana gose abantu mbokonki bawetera ekero batabwati umuntu kubawakilisha ase county assembly gose ase bunge nene naboigo eri ye senate gendera gutigara imeyo morobere korenda ase egekekire bosio ndochigochanere samienda tonyare kurigiriria chigaziti cha iritikoria rero asinchira yobwa mogendera kurika ujumbe yao wetera senambe yo ya 0726447367 manyiri tari yao hasikwarure na inde ningoraga nikoganire nonye weekend ngia nigoganeretie rituko ria ijuma rire ritoereru abaria abanya sabato bakoriroka nga preparation day ngo ahe ondete yoganeretie gose otagete kuganiria rituko rio kubanga gose rio kwarigania esabato rigia endelea gutigara ime yo morobiriga wetwani hagetembe
etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamugusi
ine nubwate imiyega gose nuganete imiyega yawe ikarane boronge nutagete chiema chingia naende chinti muchi okugora gose gokomboya tarera Buffer Tents iyo manyekaine mono buna Buffer Services ni company ekoine kebune imiyega yawe yaikiranire boronge mbabwate ibirogo byo gokomboya naende ngokora bare decorations ase imiyega yonsi buigo nkorosya bare bintu binde buna lowering gears chitroli namba bwato bokoreri buna CNC plasma cutting wood router yue kubutora perspex aluco board, cellular board, PVC wood, forex wood, engraving sheet na MDF. Nkorosia bare CNC decorations ase binto au abuna kubutora chi black sheet, korosia merangwa, ebita, chitirisa, ebirogo, bed heads, sofa faces, signage, grills, door labels, wall arts, interior and exterior decorations, nebinto binde binge. Bafa Services nige gotoka chimite mieyemo kurwa senya gitari ya nyangena ase barero chige sonso. Nigo bako igora kura Jumapili goika Ijumaa kurwa chinsa ibere chia mambia goika 11 chia marogoba. Asa mange bakere simia se namba 072922
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi. Gitebe Technical Training Institute nigo ekurwa amegeri yechikosi au bunabono building and construction kusubwagachi abwasaba kwegeria ubwagachi bw'ikinyumba naboigo ebiwanda au kurubare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gusi obusoni bw'ikiyanga n'ebintu au abu ase bari nambeyemo asubutwara machine chekerero nebinde binge nkwegeli bare amangana a beauty and hairdressing aigun kwegeli bare igore pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yende amange ICT aigono institute ye ebwata computer nebintu ebinge by'okwegeli ICT gwetania skuru ndiyunse era sorgongoroiga
asama lietanguru kwa Alpato Mariba mwalimu manne Ogetwebe Technical Training Institute serikali yakolire sana asogotwa institution yegocha saya asengencho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakwele skuru ase isemi cy'obufundi nabo boliri moleta abana bache skuru linde banyore system cy'obufundi biyamo
boigon kwegeria bare electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegeria iguriye chinguru cy'umuriro bwestima na kubeka chinguru echo ase emeche n'iki company au secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyinde munabono social work human resource management nigo bakora chikosi echi ase ebiringo bya arts and short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokya babwate obumanyi bebiringo bikoromono mbayitirine wizarega megeria yega nabo ndebwensi akwegerigwa inchubono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate numumurore usino mweseke Gitwebe Technical Training Institute nike kutoka kilomita eyemoyoka kurasomochi umugwawa asepare nene yilami yakoro ikonge kogenda chebera
inche Kenneth Mongare Ngaga, the Dean of Student Gitwebe Training Institute. Iga karakwaretiro mwana wa Gitwebe security gere guaranteed. At present, abana tuwate 600 in all the departments togoson. Na yonyolire kwaretiro mwana atware skills tokonye Kenya yetu.
Asamange bakire simi ase namba 0713985300. Gitebe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance. Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
HK International Medical Center ninye gitari nene ya chirinkuma imemu chobosongo yogotumika chimashini chinkongo ansukumulika amarwire au nagokwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosiriye kurwa asemete nigo bakugwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure arthritis cancer chinyigo imichando y'ichinguru cy'abagaka ubugomba gati yayande amange
inche no munyagitari clinic maubanye omo director bwa nyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center erega igo muchito bosongo nainde ni gonta geteko bari gani mono sana no kubatebinga ni goto gova services chekerero tugotumia ububwenia bwekerero e technology yo kurigererio mugero omugima nainde twarigereri ngambi mo kibiri byaseru twara umucanda twakwa mariogo na marioga yetu nigo tunyarusiti ase chinse chesko ao nande nigare habo ayuto kurusia ase chinse buna bono kurustura marioga sense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni China na marioga ande nigo tukurusia sense ya Malaysia ayande kurustura sense ya Spain na ayande nigo tukurusia sense ya California Los Angeles California in USA marioga ande nare tukurusia somo chyo India na ayande nigo tukunyarusia sense ya South Africa ayana ara marioga kunyara gusibia umuchando yikuru asomo bero naende nonya nigo kuru mwaka 2011 twabere tukubweni abantu abange nande nigare habo tabwatia ni side effect yara kolentere kiagera na yemete igo karibu sana senye gitari yetu ya HK International Medical Center
nabo okubanyora ase enamba 0717176383 HK International Medical Center inchuo onyore obugwenia
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Nabatebi nambazi electronics ego kanza mochimu gembo nsa stage yetu bigibigi nsa ajenye kotate speaker na ne kabisa live and direct onye kotate ufa sisi mimbu yetu ayege ntoko koraneke ogo chankoro kitobe siko bwanga ko kungaina tikankoro chitibi no chiriga etibi ruambara etibiri jambi ebetrio kutumia nyomba kwa raza kwa duniani ebetrio kwa keria gari yao majiji betri na raro fogo laki amaliko no ari ga kurugwe ga sikuka okutura tulijimeno ga ko bugima boko yiga mara moja kwa ragire manyange jonzi neji ufa
Numbers Electronics boigomba bwate ebintu bina chi speaker amane chi microphone chi horn speaker chi power mixer chi keyboard chi blender chi basi na boigo chibirika chestima chi water dispenser chi radio ao mpaka chiri chigali chi TV chi type chonsi na boigo chi size chonsi amo na electronics bionse pibuna chi wire chi extension cables nebintu binde ebinge akeretari kweba chisora panels tarere imiyomo chibugembo stage gorigoro osewa kesimi asa 0729 646 385
aiga no numbers ba customer baito bonse asemole na baliganije kerege nto tobwate na netobwate bintu bichi quality chego chingia kabisa
jaso bwenge na nyora kane tigaminyo kanyomba
Numbers Electronics aiga ntobwate kerege nto aserigori lyomubuko o Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Yosemo Distributors nabonye baya asebinto ao ebyobire ebyekene na ebyikerano mbabwate ebinto byamugondo buna chimbusuro chiriye chetembo Duma 6213 DK777 Pioneer na Bana 691 Boigo KH500 Nechinde Chinyenge mbabwate Glyphosate gose Roundup amaliogo yokorabia na koburuga eliogosimeka lyoka otalikorema na amoyo yechinyencho ao kurwa asichi company ao boigo mbabwate chinyeke nechindagira ao chietugobuna Max Milik na Big Feeds amangana mayanaya Josemo Distributors ni goboigo bakurwa obosemia boboleme kurwa asi abamanyi boboleme bosakegema inyora amaguli yabo nigo ali aya insekegema asebintu byekene utanyore ande onsi nabo okubanyora aso obokoreri bwabo asichinsagyo ao buna kisi keroka kirgols nabungoma imyakisi nigo bagutuka anyenaranda about ya KTRH gusikisi teaching and Rivaro Hospital asebara yenyagitari asamange bakire esimi ase enamba 0791-444-734 gose 0791-444-732 Josemo Distributors asubwa nsubwo boleme nobotuge
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi. Ase ugo design, print, na go brand, wakero chibiti, na go videography, KC Printing Hub, KPH, nintwe abanyankongo asorongo riga, incho KC Printing Hub, asokoro sariwa chibana chonsi, chibane chirorabo sebana chinde chonsi, chisaimages, chibane cha 3D, nintu number yamo. Ugo apply chi passport, na go chi visa, ugo print, ne korosi chi diary, chi t-shirt, chi hoodie, chi kobia, amaburi, chi reflector, ebikombe, chi wristband, amo nechichuba chi amache, as graphic designing, as chi poster, chi flyer, funeral programs. Kirotari kweba chi magazine, ajirago cha eger toko kwanya nkaito gotoka, ase mitandao tonyore buna KC Printing Hub, ase ugo cha aschebeshito, Tori Sansara Complex Center Fast Floor kusotwa kresimia namba 0727 026368 kusem 0115 541502. KC Printing Hub KPH, we are the best. Why choose the rest? Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Eduka ya Womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo iyo karose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu buriya bikomanya seka ngo kwana chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo nabono babata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chiamache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri buririke iriya gatigati wekariguri lyabantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabuigo enyekenga enyumba yao use asomete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana ukuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke ya Uhuru Superstores yerotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuyigo musongo eyuerangwe neduka ya Safaricom Nigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamage bakere simbo terase namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Amarietane neri kimisuko na eri kimisuko no manyagetaria imeye nyagetaria nugapesi ni nyagetaria gotoka somo cyobosongo ebwato abokoreri bwayo buyakigima nakobwa mone gotumeka chimashini chekerero echicyarure ko rwasense ya South Korea nugapesi etobwato abokoreri boito gaiga nakobwa mone twakonyiro mugusi asa atambe twaberire gaiga segekege tambe kuro mwako 2018 mugusi onde bwense obwate mechando wao unabono mochando bwegetekyo mogongo gugwatia amagora ko bimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga waka igoro mochando bwa sukari amona moroira manga arese mebere yeito oitana ni nyagetari chinyinge nendo taranyoro bobwenia ne sengenjo ataratarire nyagetari to yanuga pesi erinda nyoro bobwenia obwega boito aiga nuga pesi ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori kwa Mario Gandon si yogo kobekera chemical somubere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekero obwo gotumeka chi machine na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no diamond tomenium
ilitariana igongoro kumera ni kwambuka one bintu na rote ga kone igona nyore to burire mwaka 2002 oburire obuna akire kurinya getari na irunya getari paka bwasinyire bono ngoteba ngonde bwensi ura doge ngana ari burire buno bobwa mauga boko bimbyo mubiro yo gwati botari korara era tigaike gaje se nyagitari ya nuga besti elinde amokonje munanji gwete nga yankonjire tinare ko nyara konjore bigoti na gwe kumba lakini bono ko nyara konjore bigoti nyigwete nga bono ngo na gwende ngo gwe nande bono
Samarieta Onkoro kwa Esther Nyariki ayande ngoro ku Madam Director korwase enyagitari ya nuga besti nogo tonyora asama gacho Ouru Towers second floor tirongo yakabere kegusi twakwariganirie togokonye omobero obe buya amanyinga atare buya omobero ore buya noro konyara kurigia enibo nuga best nige gotoka asama gacho Ouru Towers ye building yege sinyaine mteira igotore Kenya Women igoro tirongo lya kabere egento ndahakikishere omogusi ominto nuga best nero yokere aso mochio bosongo timo ngaineka emekora nemenge yachire se chinambe chinaba obwenete gutwakira tuba oboshauri boisaine motonyore tubakonye twakonyira abange
asamange nabuko bakirisi bigwitira chinamba cyabo 0700260518 gose 0784955717 gose 0705860053 Nuga Best gotanga mbuya kubwa kogwenya.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi. Ufanisi International Hospitality College ne college mono egokoa libagaliya lyukwigera chikosi ao kyakogera nigo yanchiri ne kiumbekelia gya TVET imeyense ya Kenya nigo ekwigera chikosi buna certificate in food production, barista course, housekeeping and laundry course, pastry and bakery, mixology, food and beverage, F&B service. Nigoba kutoka ase para ya Getare Nyamira bypass Nyankungu Road ase orabakiri isimi 0796145344 sobadikire email ufanisicollege254@gmail.com Ufanisi International Hospitality College inchu wikironsi
omugusi mwensi ase mwabeta karibu ase Ufanisi International Hospitality College college ya Kerero college kwegeria igoro y'oburugi twabani ari mwensi leta banafunzi kubwa mono nchumwegere asobo mabwago chumakiri bya mono
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
Ine kwabaire gukorera asenga kintambe guse niko kwarwarire na gusalia indibo enyinge aha bono tokwa omoyo inyagitari ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukari amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate eno borwere bwasumbira abagaka sana bwe sukari, what we call the genesis of diabetes ngaki borwere bwe sukari bo somo bero boime hypertension no borwere kramanyinga kogenda igoro somo bero walfiti itosomete chinchereza tochokorwa ya marwaire enchede ntangani itosomete igintu nka conventional medicine yani unyagitari yo bwa kawaida itosomete igintu nka nutritional medicine. Nutritional medicine na marioga aliakurwese endagera ya ito ya kawaida. Kwa mfano we have ntubiko amino acids, ntubwate fatty acids, ntubwate vitamins na kadhalika. Biko tumbeka esokorwari ya marwaire. Nchirende ya gata tosomerete neka tukutumia international herbal medicine. Tukutumia marioga akurwese mete twarwari ya marwaire. Igao muchito bosongo monene ntobwate clinic yeito ase nyumba ya Uhuru Plaza noerega iga marikiti gaiso wako ninyama kwali na igoro wacho bakegoroba ya gatatu room 307A ntobwate branch mu Eldoret ase nyumba ya Kogo Plaza first floor room 2.
Walfit Health Centers umusani obo asamarwaire minyoka.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamogusi.
See your last prayer, Edna.
Sio kuna mwanamke na roho mbaya kama mama.
Nakuomba. Are you crazy? You slapped me and I will slap you again. Now listen to me. I'll shoot. Drop your weapon.
Get Zuku Satellite Today full kit at Kenya shillings 2,000.
Enyolere Zuku Satellite rero. Eyuwate siyineta wati scratch. Gura decoder amone dish asachi shilingi chiri wibere chimikena na mirongo kena na kenda chuka. Musena buku gura decoder yuka asachi shilingi elwe yemu chimikena na mirongo kena na kenda. Wigo na wo okwego kene package ya musa umutenyo hemo. Yani free premium package. Samange na buku talina eduka ya sungusia electronics sinsamo cha kibirigo kuse Mark Obale Skymax Supermarket imeyumu chulia Unyamira. Wigo na buku talina Johnson imeyama Simba Plaza na Wigo Aleno eyue rangi na daraja imeyumu chubo songo. Asamange ake simigutara sechi namba 0205200025 gose 0703010000. Zuku, life got better.
Getembe Television
Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda. Ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Mwancho murigerea karibu sana sichi gazeti cheri tuko riarero korinde muna konyana kumanyire ni ndo chenga mbaraiga barabu ubeto mete kegima kusema pema sana unabona mumanya watana ziporo tiga abo kiabaiga babo choke machoka babo Juvenalis Nyasani Mora Mumanyi Mochukoro Dan Mumanya watanga Ravin Riari Mosioma Mochukoro Nyanchoka Mongina Berimote Nyabori Mogadish William Mekenye Chairman Wechi Radio na baligereria avonsi embi yabano sana pilipili hoho agoteba wakire umuralia kurwa timani twabokire litukorigia na eboigo Rogers Nyariki kurwa Amsterdam Netherlands Elijah Mrefu agoteba kurwa Kibirigo City Lydia Nyaboke agoteba noare ime Livingstone Akala Julia Kerubo Biochemist David agotebanga Matiangi Hoye Edwin mama otakurwa robot nyatieko Ruth Kemuntu bwakire bia ekiongo Mary na Frederick Ogembo mochokoro obweri ibiri ria baba na ndendo chenga Frederick akwira nagotebana akoganiria amashabiki onse agetembe television iri tuko rigia Alex Mauti no are imeyo morobere Babu Tuva na Rasugu Caleb kurwa sosera kisi locked in pia mono sana Sam wakire
vya sana
rero ndi
rero Friday Juma
aba Islam babate Ramadan
Ramadan ya sure
aba Catholic bono babate Lent
okay Ento maite yo kana BSD. Na waigo ne pasaka. Yewa. lakini mbele ni maita yu and so to our brothers, to our Muslim brothers tukuvuga ni Ramadhani ingia ando si asibari
abana sabato
oh yeah, happy Sabbath, happy preparation day, tukulia la preparation day
so happy Sabbath in advance,
yeah, in advance alafu maite chikambi chiko ba August ari nari enchareta ikulia abantu anari okorra abantu ndibwensi otete ko koragira biega saa saba iguru aikange na se kambier mutinyu nani togosoka busa
tinga kinjire chigoika chiko zedi na boyo chikambi konya chiri ase chikanisa chinyinge naro chinga a friend yane yarenge onte binga tinga kiechi to bwene tiko banjara ai komera abantu basangirire kane tose bare egathering abantu bare amo bago sasima ai so aroro oiwe lingana na ndo igotiwe
ano taigwa lingana sasa ba igoro iga tagea kuna maneno lakini nina boko tagera lingana nyasa
yes kwenda kwa randeli utochira tokogenda chize chindagira chioka kero kwa roringa nonyera madhani ekere gochikoera abangi ngochibare baonjoriri baba baisla
ngebo no for the sake of ndagira na ndibna bono by the Matilda
na ndibali bagiti
pema bwa congress sana
yes
igo bono we call him surviving mechanism ya no tategera agenda ombia na bataba ngala chikwa kenda gento kiamana gichoragi
lakini welingana
Sawa anyway.
So egazeti ya The Standard Daily tukoria rero ndo tingaringana riraiga helikopter banga bono nigo abantu bakendete koegwa korengana abuna bakoenana kusenga rewarding yes men bali bagwitabirana ne serikali bono unkoegwa bale amabaga kiti kuse obone negete ase serikali
bono na inde nyerenga amoraibo mubwazimio gusomoraibo chama ya ODM musikira ilo Odinga mbaraba no wale serikali and you have to compensate como recognizing and wale serikali naro jegari very important committees by the chiachira se azimio
ODM
ODM not Azimio actually ODM because naro jegari abantu bandi baba Samuel Atandi na baraenda se budget and appropriation abantu abange babo Irene Mayaka almost what Kuryamir I think she will be the chairperson of one of the committees of integration alafu na ending walibana naruchi aba jumbe na bange babere rewarded bali bare bamanyakaine ko ababwatani ba angimuno ba musikira ilo Odinga lakini bona iga maite encharanere una bona the budget and appropriation committee it is a committee that three designated for just those who are in the government lakini bali barukuru maega igo babeire aba serikali anena muno no bana babo budget nginyorete shunga na bete the last parliament alafu bono iga konyo yoro ndidi nyoro lakini bono surprisingly we are having umonto ku opposition ka ko manage imagine a budget that is something of the government and it is being managed by an opposition so
asi egoteba uno goodies ukwaranga goodies bono buyo boiga nigo bokoretwa ase enseme yega ya animo kurasike ochase kya makereka ODM kurindi gazeti niga watana after a bloodbath no se kurwa aba saiba jenzi banyarete ko na bwo gwitira manyinga mange elinde kurwanirira uburai gusikurwaniro kurigia uburai obuya asense ya Kenya nigo yarorekane bono abali baguchiko konyeka bali barasense mo yazimio nebwateiga nga pro system bali bare gocha ase wawitabirana no burai bwe serikali ya bono kuna bono Oburu Odinga Mohamed Faki Senator Jones Mwaruma Migori Senator Eddie Okech Alego Usonga MP Samuel na James Inyekal na ensemo yende pro people musabari bakendete kuigira abantu kigima ntubate ndindi nyoro yore chair budget committee Gadhoni wa Mchomba Peter Selasia ntubate Timothy Toroitich na Lenku Seki James Gakuya abumbali bono para sensemo ya Kenya
so Matilda they saying mchako wapanya washika waliokuwemo na wasiokuwemo waona maite azimio and they are rock and recover. That's why when we had the AU, by the way, do you know people were celebrating a singing show? Ngomo bakos otugutire kiroko kiringe singing show, and he's just dancing on the blood of the Gen Z. Maybe abante bakagirite ko banga. Raila is enjoying in the government courtesy of the Gen Z that revolution yachete ikanyara kubage kumu-integrate within the government and igabonunga is enjoying the goodies courtesy of the Gen Z.
Abaza abangi bakasiya magimabo abantu bagaitwa kurinde bono bali bagukonyeka na baiga bagendete gwitabirana no burayi bwa serikali na boigo nigo ndochenga ase umugano uyu nigore ase page ya kane gazeti ya The Standard ekiribwate bicha ya egati ya bari babere bagukonyeka kurwa ase serikali iga ya abono basibanya uri amabaga manene ase serikali na page ya kabiri ngukwanirira mangana Ramadan esegoteba rewards and sacrifices that make the month of Ramadan special na bintoki bikogera umutinyiga onyara kuboyibwe ngenje mono anene ase diniri yege Islam na ndeni go bagoteba buna echineci ngaki heaven the gates of heaven are opened and the gates of hellfire are closed na ebita byokogenda igoro nigo bigo getechinga kechiga na boigo bibyo kogenda ajana ya Islam
Jehanamu I think Jehanamu kagusina bere Jehanamu eba
nigo bono bisiekire chinga kechiga tebate bichabo ekero bono bari barase dini ya Islam bakero bakenderete kusanga endagira na boigo tukurigereria ase kati yari ime igazeti iga page ya gatano ni egotebanga questions raised about foreign jobs interviews inside the church nigo bono amaswali abire kagoipuka ngaki ama kose amangana interview chikokorwa igoro yichigasi chirichiri ase chinse changumbu chikokorekana ase ekanisa asegotenga on March 5th Lebasius Alfred Mutua led a recruitment exercise at the church omo waziri wa mangana aleba Moske Alfred Mutua rituko oria chitariki sano mutinyo yiga iganya arete kurigereria gusiko kwanira amangana yokogenda bari bako akuboria bari bakogenda chinsi chisiko kore mirimo kurindi niganya arete gukorera umuyigo yiga ase ekanisa ija aretire amaboria amange na boigo ndochenga enkwana yaye oyo kabiro mo Chief Justice omukoro David Maraga asagotebana as a country that's not what we should be proud of. We should enable our youth to get skills. Na amangana yega yokonya gusegeta basaenga abato mu chichinse chesko ekitarikero kigento tubonente kwego kerigento tubonente kwanekia ngeringa abasae banyare konyora ubumanyi bwisaine ase ibintu byose biri bagokora kurinde tari kubasuguma banyare kogenda kokonywa chinse chinde na boigonga anxiety as nation awaits Raila's big reveal on how he will engage with Ruto niko bona bakenya bange bagenderete kuganyirira kigima banyare kumanyana ki omurai wense aligetie guchokora mirimo nere Dr. William Samoei Ruto asi uburai obuga gose anene muna serikali iga ya Kenya kwanza ni watu bicha yomurai kwike mwike ya ODM Raila Odinga kirare no mugavana wa county ya Kisii Muske Simbarati na wego aburai bande kurwa asense mo gose asikia mwike ya ODM ikira baringe ase omucho busongo rituko oria igoro mugano yitu abiri tuko kwana kurwa rituko igoro asitari yae yanyarite goika ozewikirani wa aigasi omochi obusongo na amangana ariye kemeriye kawa ndoche omukonyo omurai wensa goteba nga abakenya nigo barache gukonyeka gusaba rimi bari bekemeriye kawa nigo barache konyora engeri yabo ere chishilingi 110 per kilogram asikira ekiro eyemo yekemeriye kawa eri abarimi bagupima bachikonyora 110 shillings
per kg
ase umwako yega eyo ne bonus kose umushahara uri bakonyora sense mo yekawa na boigo kukwanda umo waziri kwa mangana ya wiki kanchege serikali Muske John Mbadi asa gotenganiga nyari kwegerera amangana ari ose bitambukiro biri serikali imukiri elio gotoria uchumi ya Kenya. Mbadi defends state measures on the economy. na boigo ntubwate igati ya bari bagendete kurigia ubunyakirogo ase ekiombe keri kebochorine chimbebe kya IEBC ntubwate igese gotebana Nyachae Amadi among 37 seeking to succeed Chebukati at the IEBC. Na boigo egotana Kenya Power oyo kabiro umo nyakirogo o Kenya Power no are gose oyo re umunyakirogo Kenya Power na indore former IEBC chief executive Oswago no are nere ase list yeyo na ndekorende bune list yeyo asogete kurase gazeti ya Daily Nation nigo abantu bakurigie ebirogo gose asbatete gose ase commissioneri aba commissioner bali ba IEBC nigo bare omubaro bweli bweyemo chimi sato na 19 abu 1319 applicants nabo barenge ase bana tukobe kwarro ase gazeti ya Daily Nation rituko origoro na kutigana nayo ne umo waziri wa mangana y'uburendi bweme ndoche nigagendete gukwanira amangana ya police recruitment gusokorikwa kwa abanyanyimbo abaya ekerobono yarorekanire nga amangana omorembe nigobere gukubura anemona ase chinse mochiri cha northern Kenya omugano uyu nigora ase page ya 5 na 3 na aboigo tugotigana anayo do more to stop femicide women demand chinga kibune chiga nigo abasubati banyare wesokia na boigo byombi bikurwanira bwene bwa mwanya bantu ekero bigoteba nigo bono amangana usebitambukiro ibingi bwenete komukiwa chinga kibune chiga erio gokeya ebikorwa bya abasubati goitwa ase ense ya Kenya egotonga 224 women had been killed by February 2024, representing a sharp increase in femicide cases. Mangana femicide igaberega koba amanene muno ase ense ya Kenya. Mugano uyu ni warase page 10 na area ya 10 hindo chiko kwa mangana yechiseme segotabanga debate rages if grade 9 learners capable of picking career paths. Na nigo bono yarorekanire onye gose okongusana na gusichinkwa na chachakira gukorekana onye ekero bakurigereria nga aba oroki baba igabare grade ya kianda ama ene mbaise ine gosemba bwatu mumanyi boise ine baranyara gochora emeremo eri babwente gukora for life gose senjo gabo meto no gochakira komanya ninkyo bwente gochikobase ubugima bure busyo career paths
you see na bono subjects mostly gochiko chorwa when you are form 3 heading to form 3 meaning that already na bono kwa manyire na handikiri yotagete at the end of the time I think how soon it will be umwana grade 9 amanyanga nkiatagete maite Matilda Kerol class 1 2 3 you could be thinking about becoming a pilot by the time we're form 4 we're going to jobless because of the harsh economy that we're having. So I don't know whether grade 9 can really know exactly what he or she wants regarding that taraba monene lakini CBC nengi of course but asinaro still upungufu ngorere nabona abukero tumayiso mwana achore subject ya tabanga bono ntaita craft the physics the chemistry you see maybe through the guidance of Moibori and maybe the teachers maybe
na boigo ndochinga serikali gose mwaziri wechisemi muske Julius Mikosi ogamba nigatebirenga chibesa 14 billion chire Kenyan shillings ngochi chire kobwato kwa ochase chiskuru ewiki ocha iyo ne ira nyarete koria kraotanga bono chibese chonchi chigosa ase chiskuru eleko ene kya magendero ne iye chiskuru na iga ndoche epeje komina kabire kwa na siasa segotanga Maraga hints at presidential bid, vows to end graft and uphold law ngani go naro rekanire gose chinkumba chachakire ko ene kiwabna nigo omo oyorenge omo chief justice omukoro
so I
David Maraga na chikubuli borahibwense ngana ndini gara chikoene kinga barahibonse babwatiri elichiko na boigo abakenya bakorero.
So one we have Matiang'i, we have Maraga. So I don't know the question ya kitara iweke lakini rende that is it.
angore nginga na mangare se gazeti ikore ni ase gati yari agukuna umwancho murigereria na rayo are ase gazeti ya The Standard sa masingincho yebiro
ase gazeti ya The Daily Nation ndo chake kumurikiwe gazeti ya ase ringana linene ringa how governors banned 6.6 billion on joyrides yani ngabona ba governor bali ba nyariko ba ko spend ebe singo se niwe nyinge kuchia ase amangana yoko yanda chise chisco ndo chake ga omo governor we county ya Machakos kwa Nyandeti na batu megete 372.91 million omo ske Johnson Arthur Sakaja inomo jumbe omo governor we county ya Nairobi 369.03 million alafu ntobwate Julius Malombe ino yo Kitui tumekire 315.31 alafu ndo cheka oyo Nyandaro yo kwa ngana Moses Kiaria badilisha atumekite 223.15 million alafu no Kajiado oyore Joseph Olelenku tumekite 217.71 million. Those are for travels igo ngokoranga niga abantu ngotara bakare sana for benchmarking actually as a chinse chiriba chire ntobwata chawo European capitals Dubai and Singapore you know the Kenyan leaders love to link Kenya and Singapore. At some point there's a time when Singapore was behind us economically, but now Singapore is ahead of us. Chiribosio ngora kwa na sana Singapore, they talk of Malaysia, those countries that they had a very devastating economy, but they took that steps. But they are too good to compare. But what is supposed to be
implement
umugano ina bako nyora se page ya kane ya gatana alafu ndo cheka which way Raila by then waringe gusi. I've never seen umuraibu umubwa Bwazimi of course na wase Raila Odinga bwe chama ya ODM ogocha gusi and receive a very cold reception una nitukulia igoro by the way waringe so kunya consultare the way forward, but we no need to be told mata siasa Matilda
nata kitengo bolinga nkoigetaro ikiagere tawoni yekero kwari kolire nkwari kumanya guse kendengire kegendere
nchemi sikufika naroche babo umuriki bwa mungana Daniel Ntiriga otomachi bichankarara so tokaisana kalende ngumuraibo mumsori toyo because the Matiang'i effect, I don't know whether the Maraga effect is still there because naro rekaiga when I say gazette ya The Daily Nation David Maraga, this is how I could govern differently if I'm given an opportunity. That's what he's saying. Mugano ina wako nyora se page ya gatanu makabe ase gazette ya The Daily Nation agere onyorera mungana yu century weekend. By the way Maraga wako from Kisii now we are going to have maybe 2 people in the equation, but I hope again taking Toita. And again Raila talked of something when he was in Kisii tebanga more agenda as a community that yomugusi numbers by the we don't even have until might even a million. We are roughly at 900 because Kisii County we have 637,000 voters roughly, and then Nyamira we have around 300 and something. So Kerogo Chijumuisha, I did the math some other time about 10 years ago, but we were having around 900 and something. So we don't even have a million. So to what a shortage of numbers. It's okay. Lakini koma itogo tani bali bona baro million na baramuko bosuka na wengi miaka mwana mama tumnaende gusene miaka irenga muntu takoro maga chanke na gosuka na nje korani gosukande. So akarwa advice akatabanga if indeed you want to spearhead the candidate ya Matiang'i namba lazima muri obosani nanda kama watabere bwekanga amaene mungwano tarateba, of which is right. Tarateba ngori ari
ekiama basta kwa netingi kiama kya UPA gyoka kike guchikomwa oburai bakabarige kiama keri kero kende kikunete nonye bisa kubinde na kyo kiranyare komwa koseke gitaba Kenya bange bamubekire chikura
bona bono roche Matilda the party leader of UPA no Moske Nyaribo the deputy party leader bado comes from I think Nyamira. So before even we talk about a national picture yebisa kubinde already ekere Nyamira just within Nyamira Mono. I think we should think about that ndogeta as a community onyoranga tuaguri. Aina araga ndre lobby backs come in JSC fight. By the way ekegambere nene ya JSC kusa judiciary oroche nkebwate utukanu kidogo asembaro bagote banga omora yegose omo president bwe chameria I mean bwe kiombekeria Martha Koome na abandi mbabwatani ngambo mbabwente maybe gwakusiko ayue okonyora asepe ya kabere asega zeti ya the Daily Nation alafu ntubwate gaiga man 42 who sat KCP twice and KCSE 4 times keeps have a dream alive nga yani umongo nara gaiga isaransete KCP agakora mara kabere and then KCSE agakora 4 times esingi nje yogo ikirani dream yoko genda ase a university ya Harvard. You know Harvard is one of the universities globally best universities. So yo akoro konga Mr. Mushoki Maina agotabanga okorire KCP agakora twice agakora kane. You know that is very serious
ibu karanzira mate mwane kimyaka 5 nomo
miaka 5
ko komentana ya iriyo ko some brasi binde
yo bono akorrango mokyoya norega
nagendete gwetoma
igo asepeji akanene ya atano na chigo otebinkeringa igereria ase ensema ya travels tiango na ligeriga iga ase nataka koro gosentu bwate account ya Kisii wose either Nyamira gaiga lakini ndoche we had a little spends ase chisabari chesko by the way and that's good because ndoche gaiga cha Machakos Nairobi na chibwata nitiga Kisumu Machakos Kitui Meru Kakamega Wasingishu na Baringo. Those are some of them tindoche account ya Kisii gaiga kere igalia asensemeyu by per county. By the way, we have spent 139.82. That is Kisii County, and then Nyamira County. I think about what Sabali Jisko. Sabali Java Koranga Sechire, just 75.
1000.
Mbara tumeka basanyinga sichi Sabali. Igo nabo okonyoro mugano yo asepeji yakane ne ya gatano asepeji ya ase gazeti ya The Daily Nation. Raila, I'll give the way forward soon. Raila naga ndetokonya ko consult ndoche gaiga ebichiga ndiyare ngase ensema ya ATC aria ase county ya Kisii oroche gaiga ndoche omuntu lengo monene no governor oyore Paul Simbarati na boigo omujumbe obomachoge by the way Nolfason Obadia Barongo alafu na Rene Mayaka Moswati nominated MP from Chisemo Chiricha Nyamira na banaroche barengo egatia baraibande bali barenge ase enseme ya ATC egere renkonya woncho kananale egera abolinga which is the way forward, but for politics we have the way maybe Ruto completes a badge of Gachagua allies in parliament. Ono gaiga Matilda Matters mbare bako game. We never miss losers.
Yes.
Bueno, erochikainenga abantu osaba bwatane bali bangi muno boyorengo mukonyi bumuraibense oyure nere Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua bona baumire ama bagabo nigakali kuirwa na abali bwate orwembereri gocha ase umuraibwa echama ya ODM Raila Odinga. But when you talk about, I was talking about the budget committee which is mostly linked na serikali, because when you are talking about the government the budget is linked directly na serikali because of the appropriation on chikuru.
Yes.
But you find out it has been held numoske Ndindi Nyoro, but now we are having a person from the opposition. So I don't know whether we are enjoying the democracy of our country when we are sabotaging the opposition. That is sabotaging the opposition anyway. Ndojega ya wa umire mono Ndindi Nyoro, James Gakuya, Gathoni wa Mishomba no mjumbe ugithunguri Wanjiku Muya, alafu ndubwate Karemba Eric Mushagi, Senator Senator Karugo Wathagwa, ababo Methu, Senator Kinywa, ababo Senator Joe Nyutu na boygo Sekelenku ndoche na bweba bekiruga igasako. I think na rara manene ase kwende page awesese gazeti ya The Daily Nation alafu aso wangu mono ndoche gaiga Ruto Raila Alice IIBC jobs kurugusiana roche Charles Ayako chai is among by the way And then Naroch Oswago. You remember Oswago had issues during those times of IBC, Isaac Hassan.
Yes,
that is among the rest.
Egati abari bakuburia kikyo bonyakero abwa IBC asi obwango mono kiagira omogene oikire Sam ndoche gazeti ya Taifa Leo ebwate ebichene ne kigima ya yeyo kabiri mu Chief Justice omukoro omanyekana tuna David Maraga sekotanga nipeni orais muone ingango oburai ebwensi morole binanda akore emirimo
korangi endege na gitagiti na hadi tazaruma
gora sepeji akabere sekotanga ikipata mamlaka mtanyosha Kenya na nigara wasakora ambulense ya Kenya akegema umugano yora sepeji akabere gazeti ya Taifa Leo singincho siasa yo ne ntindi kegema Sam ande tokorigereria ayande nara mange unabono ekera gotemanga Raila kimya kuhusu azma ya Matiang'i akataa kutoa kauli iwapo atamunga waziri wa zamani au la niganya letego kira kubulwanga nachi komo segeta omoske Fred Matiang'i niganya letego tebanga ero monyene ose Matiang'i monyene karesokia anyare ko ne kose ko ne keria bakenya nga ngobori are ekerogekyo igono akore tabutaira neretinga nachi komo segeta ose tago chiko itaberana ninganeyo mugano yini gora sepeji ya kabiri gazeti ya Taifa Leo. Habari njema kwa wakuzaji wa kahawa hasi habari mibekawa twabere tukuwe kwa na sechi gazeti chinde mugano yoko nyora sepeji ya kane nabono omo sike ogosomo konyo muraibense moske kidore kindiki anyarete kwa nirengane yuka gotabona balimi mbachi konyora ligesa lirerigia osempa konyora omoshara oromia kurwasi kemeri igikawa mapinduzi ya Ruto Raila bunge la egati gusoko bwata negati omo sike William Ruto na boigo Raila Odinga nigono anya kwanya rire koreta amonchorerio ase bunge nene ase injo yebiro Sam ngagiritenga tingo chigotwara amange ase erituko rero kusase chigazeti cha rero kobate edondo oranyare gukwandira se etagekeyamo
twana Narok Rift Valley gaiga omo subati yomo nigo atebetenga akogenda sabali no mwanchoe esengencho tatageti aenda nyoro ndoro omya kumwetani igo bono koranga namo manyite bya kabisa by the way atebetenga nyago asogocha nongo je ukipiga kona na mimi napiga wono kurunaro kagabu where you go I will go
where you stay I will stay
I will stay na mama tapiga anda si asogochi nongo je because ngo gotiga iga basi wewe umechomoka kurunaro kumjini nere dondo yeri tukoria rero
mwancho murigereria no tokoratikira abo asechi gazeti cheri tukoria rero kirotore nere samiyenda korenda sebono tokogenda se mutumukomoke rine chikoirana no mugeni bwiri tukoria rero aiga ase studio tanyara kurigeria ayande amange kenda gutigara ime yo murobiri iga wetwani ya Getembe.
Etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mwaro karugetanda bana mbare njara uzito somya bamurama chikuya mandege uzito somya bamurama chikuya mandege.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamugusi
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchase abaonya aiga ntubwate showroom asura achagwirigiria mabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale iyuerengia na wigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa kurigiria amabati aiga ntubwate etime tembo abuo bago kolemirano ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho teberia kende gensi uragania bago teberia company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na wigo ayuiga watachi proval net gauges ao na mono mbabwata normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated asiwigo babwata boomerang ayuare aye chigech emerungetato asama bati aliaye chigech emerungebire na isaro nesato mbabwata tile proval alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na wigo na versatile mat MRM nikobwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design obate ligani kabwate chikala buna bono lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwema bwatiga nikobo kolengana amo nukonyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochkunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabatiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sivika ayo uchane warrant na wigo ayo orakwaburu kasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yebutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex niyo muchungo busongo iyo rangene duka Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgotera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television ekionga kiamamugusi.
School Clinic ni nyagitari ya kerero igikorwa obokoreri bw'obugwenia asamarwire au asugutumika amaliogo akura chinse cha maiko nigo bakubwenia asugutumika chimashini chinkongo echi chikurigireria na kunenkia omuchando bomorwaire inyura nigo bakuringoria babwenia na kurwa amaliogo nigoriria boni amaliogo nigoriria mubuko na eliororo nkubwenia bari emechando buna pressure arthritis esukari ulcers kolengane cho marwire yenda marwire abasacha n'abakungu gatiya yande amange nigo bakwigura akira litukuri ya Jumatatu wika Ijumaa kuchagara chinsa ibere chamambya wika chinsa 11 magoroba batalere imeyo muchobosongo asamagacho a Uhuru